Hello, Command Breaker. We've got an old school donkey stomper. BBB-2Pill. Beavis built. I guess Beavis built 2 pills of those. Beavis built anyway. So I took the pills out. Oh, we're at 27 on Chivas. Retuned it. Put a metal clad in there. Rebuilt it. Made it high drive. It's doing real good. Let's get with it. Alright. We're going to look at radio drive. Start with. Well, let's look at our straight through. Start with straight through SWR. Worldwide. Alright. Input SWR with it on. Worldwide, 0. 5 watt reverse. Worldwide, get on down with nothing. 500 watt slug. Look at PP radio drive. Worldwide, 400 peak radio drive. 1000 watt slug. Worldwide, 390. That meter's always a little tighter. Look at the average. Average power, worldwide, 190 average. 190 average, 390 peak, let's just say. I'm going to go up here and kick 100 into it. Or about 90, my little Texas Star. Look at the 500 watt slug. Driven. So this is high drive. Worldwide in your corner. 500 in the corner. 1000 watt slug, PP, high drive. Worldwide. 2 pill, 100 watt drive, 2 pill, 100 watt drive. Worldwide, HD, worldwide, HD. I ain't got no fan on it neither. Worldwide, HD, get on down. So she's doing close to 600 peak, driven. So she got high. She got a little warm, not bad. There she is, bud. Hope you enjoy. It's an old school donkey stomper. Actually, I think this one was originally, for a while I had Fat Boy building. This is one Fat Boy built for me, and I rebuilt it just now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Your friend 10 018 Beavis. Catch you later.